Cool alone now if am sure or our house. Black beer, me deeply to thank it, debt me because of these chatter. You are the love of my life, the one my heart beats for, and I would never do anything to betraying the trusted me, shared my love for you is pure, upwarming, and rooted deep in my souls. I need you to trust in what we have and believe in as I believe in you as no one else matters, only you and the beautiful future we have to share. Please don't let the lies of the others create distance between us. I'm missing you more than words can say, and I just want us to be united, heart to heart, with nothing standing in our way. Talk to me, my love, let nothing or anyone come between us. I love you endlessly. You made me looks stepped and says because I have chosen to be with you, and you have never thought about how felt ever since you have chatted on my dream, dear. I cannot wait for you, honey. I will be waiting for you. Responses now immediately. Honey, you have the key to my heart. It is bright, shine, and precious, just like you go. Shed and undo the lock set as both free to love each other without limits. Looking into your racing eyes tells conks the air out of lengths. You are so strangely beautiful, elegant, and faithful. I truly am the luckiest man in the entire world. I love you. In your love, I find the inspiration to never give up, no matter how hard the journey gets. You are encouraging me to pursuing my passion fearlessly. Now you will always be there to catch me if I fall. Your love is my guiding star, illuminating my path, even the most increase time with you. Every setback feels like a stepping stones towards a greater success. You faithful in my implodence me to chase my heart dreams with relentless passions and dedications. Your love give me the resiliency to race again after your file stroke and more determined. I've been reflections a lot lately on our time together, and I felt completed to share words in my heart for the moment we meet. You can captivating in my ways I never thought possible. Your laugh light up the room. Your kindness is blame to those around you, and your strength inspires me every day. I feel myself daydreaming about life with you, and I cannot help but smile at the thought of all the memories we have yet to make.